In this video, you will learn how to airdrop tokens to multiple wallet addresses. This tutorial shows how to send crypto tokens to many wallets using a crypto multisender. Sending tokens one by one is slow and increases the risk of mistakes. A crypto multisender allows you to send tokens in a single workflow. For this tutorial, we will use the MyCryptoView Crypto Multisender. Step 1. First, connect your wallet to the multisender. Step 2. Select the blockchain you want to use for the airdrop. Step 3. You can add recipient wallet addresses manually or upload them using a CSV file. Step 4. Enter the token amount for each wallet address. Step 5. Before sending, review all transaction details carefully. Step 6. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction using your wallet. Step 7. The tokens are now sent to multiple wallets in a single workflow. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.